Okay, so I haven't done that much this week. Um, what I'm trying to do, like I'm into the papers. I mean, Birdnet papers, and I'm trying to see like if we can populate two or three probabilities, like we were talking last time. So like let's say like the first column is like the top probability, the confidence level of a species. Then the second is let's say like with less probability, as we were talking last time. So, and in this case, you gotta run through the Python, and I'm trying to see. So I'm just like on the GitHub and trying to see like if we can do like at least 2-3 columns for the species. So like if we're still missing it, that's like the last time. Like we have a song and one species in between the song, which is not in the list. So like trying to see like if we can still um, find out what's the second or the third option for the species. And it takes time in my case. So like I'm just like into papers and that's it. So I didn't like run any code and just trying to understand like about BirdNet. That's it. That's it. But if not, then we still can do like as we decided last Friday at 0.8 confidence level, and it should be all right.
Yeah, I was gonna ask because now that we have the high elevation,
Yes.
do you want me to go through the data, rerun everything at 0.8 confidence, and then also remove what
Let's
is
do
it?
0.5. Let's do
Oh, we want to do
0.5 and
0.5, so we don't want to do 0.8?
no, because the question is the 0.5 has all the confidence levels 0.6, 7, 8, 9. So like in our case, we kind of ran the model twice and we didn't need to do that because like if you
Right,
get the
because it all
0.5, so it has all the values. So in this case, but I'm also done. I guess it's let me see. Yeah, I downloaded yeah, not yet. Oh my gosh. Something's wrong. So yes, I'm downloading the 1, 7, and 5
okay.
files. Yes, and I'm gonna run like at 0.5. So it will be enough actually. So we can work with 0.5 only. That's
Okay.
it. And then uh, if the file, I mean, they have like all the values, we can just slice it. It's quite simple. Yeah.
Okay. Sounds good. And I'll do the evens, right? Was it 6, 4, 2, and 10?
Yes. Right.
Um,
1 second,
so
please. I'm sorry. One
sure, go ahead.
one. I'm sorry. Yes.
No, that's fine.
Yeah.
Okay.
Absolutely. So like have you done any additional analysis?
Um, what did I do? I did something else. Let's see, hold on. On the data. Sorry, I did this like way early last week. Some of the song length stuff. Um, what else was I gonna ask? For tomorrow's meeting, should we should we have like a list of things we want to talk to them about? Do you know what we want to bring up with them? I know we got some feedback from for the methods, right?
Anna, yeah. So like he actually gave us feedback um based on the week 3 reports, but we are right
Right.
now week 8. So probably at that time it's not that relevant anymore. But yes, we can bring up any questions we wanted. And actually, so I'm trying like to, I'll try to, if possible, see if we can do like uh, top 3 probabilities for all the species in Python, like in like any notebook or like just like by the code. If not, then we can do like point 0.8, and we have kind of good explanation why. And we also talked to Pranav, so like he's the expert, so he also told us like why uh, he's okay with that data. If
Right.
the experts are okay with us as well, so we just skip a lot of steps and just go through, because we spend a lot of time on Selenium and trying to get like the best data for us, which is okay, and like that it takes a lot of time. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah. And I was working on looking at what birds come like 3, 9, 6, 9 seconds before and after Humes. Remember we kind of talked about that with Pranav. So
Yes.
I've been kind of
Yes.
working on some code to look at that. I'm not finished
Okay.
with that yet,
Perfect.
but sorry, I'm
I
just
have
looking
the
on here.
code. I mean, just, and I guess it's yeah. Like I mean, like the code like for the Windows. I guess it's gotta be on the. Let me see. I can share it as well.
Yeah, sure.
Uh,
I'd like to see that for sure. Um,
see. The elevation. Yes, I got it. Merging notebook. Oh, yes, absolutely. Yes, absolutely. I have it. Yeah, so
and
it was just 2 weeks ago.
do we want to take out the unexpected birds as well? Remember Pranav said that we could do that?
Yeah, so let's say if I can't find the way to extract 3 highest probabilities for the same song, then we just like delete it, just drop them. That's it. So we defined point 0.8 confidence level. That's what we need. And then we just drop all the species. We can actually do right now at some point,
Yeah,
but
that's what I was
let's wait
wondering if I
for
should.
tomorrow.
Yeah, I
Yes.
don't know if I, because tonight's like the first night I have a little bit more free time, so I was going to do that, probably take out all the unexpected data and then maybe try and run through the high elevation now that we have it. Um,
Absolutely. Yes,
okay.
definitely. Yeah.
Um, I'm trying to see if there's any notes on. If we need to follow up with anything from the comp experts. Yeah, threshold determine. I'm just reading the notes from when we
Mm-hmm.
had last. Mostly it was like determine the threshold based on domain experts. So we kind of did a little bit of, I mean, that analysis that shows like the different things. I guess we could show them that and kind of explain why Pranav is okay with 0.8.
Yes,
Um,
I love that plot. Absolutely.
yeah, the plot I think will show them at least the differences in confidence and how it'll changes with expected, unexpected. Um, how many are expected? How many are not? Histogram confidence levels. Yeah, so yeah, this is all the stuff that they asked us to do. I think I already kind of did that last week. Um, is there anything that we should talk about in terms of, I guess, building the I mean, we've been working on, like you said, a lot of things just going through and cleaning the data. Is there anything else that we should bring up or ask them about um, starting to build the model and things? I know they talked a little bit about clustering for the Xenocanto stuff.
Clustering
Um,
for all the stuff, not the Xenocanto, like for all the data we have. So let's say today we have all the data.
mhm.
And yes, we can talk about it. Absolutely. I mean, I don't see any, let's say, concerns or obstacles not to talk about it. Absolutely, yes, we can.
Okay. No, I
Definitely.
mean, I'm not like concerned about talking. It was more like, I don't want to go in tomorrow and then, not have anything to ask, because we only see them every other week, so I just want to make sure we can ask as much as we can.
Absolutely,
Um,
yes.
yeah, so I guess we could ask them more about where to move forward with the model. We do at least now have a better sense of how the data is looking. I mean, the meeting with Pranav last week was really helpful, and some of the plots kind of helped us. But um, yeah, for now, I'm gonna remove the unexpected birds, and then I'm gonna run the and I guess you're gonna do this too. I don't know if you'll be done by tomorrow. It's kind of short notice, but the high elevation data, I'm probably gonna finish that processing tonight.
Yeah,
Um,
absolutely. I will extract point 0.5 as well. So
okay.
that's a quick
Yeah,
uh
it's not too bad. It's only
action.
like four
Yes,
each
exactly.
for us.
Yes, right.
Um,
So look,
and I'll upload the raw data um, to our folder in OneDrive from, I
perfect.
know that takes forever, but I
Oh,
can do
I
that
know.
too.
I know.
I usually just have it on box to OneDrive. Okay, cool. Um, yeah, so I'll get that working on tonight or tomorrow's meeting. But yeah, just ping me if you have any um questions or anything, or if you want me to work on something before tomorrow's meeting. Um, my brain is fried from today, I swear. I'm like trying to come up with words.
We're on the
Um,
same page.
yeah,
Yeah,
we're both just fried. Just that time of year, right?
yeah.
In
Fried
the
eggs.
semester.
Yeah.
Uh, what else was gonna ask you? Shoot. Oh, the windowing thing. Um, if you can just, you don't even have to send me the file, just ping me the name of the file and I'll take a peek at it. Um,
I mean, I can do it like right
whatever,
now. It's
yeah, whatever is easier for you. And I want to start looking at that at least so we can get something going. Um, yeah. Honestly, I think the most interesting thing was that Pranav said was that birds compete for soundscape. I feel like that really
exactly
helps us. You know what I mean? It makes our lives a little easier knowing that birds don't really,
overlap.
chirp over each other. Because I know that was like something that I think Anan brought it up.
Yes.
Um, but yeah, we can at least bring that to them tomorrow as well. Talk about that, but that shouldn't be an issue. Okay, cool.
So
Did you have?
I sent the
Oh,
file in the chat. So
okay,
yeah.
perfect.
Yeah. So
Thank you.
yeah, but I'm just trying to delve into the model itself and see like what can we do. And actually, I believe I just I just don't have enough time to be honest. So I believe it will be very helpful, not only for the analysis or like for cleaning the data, but also for building up our own model. Because in this
Mhm.
case, it will be a lot of similarities in our model and the BirdNet.
BirdNet.
Yeah, so that's why like it's also important. At the same time, it's all about time. So like if you have
Yeah.
time, if not, then anyway, I'll try to do my best.
Okay. Okay, cool.
Yeah, so I guess that's it so far. Just but if you have anything, just DM me or let me know.
Yeah, likewise.
Perfect.
Cool. Thanks,
Okay.
Andre.
Yeah. Bye bye. Have a
Bye.
rest.
You too.
Okay.
Thanks. Bye.
Bye bye.